Hey, this is Silent Solution. Did you ever see how to Oracle Linux download and installation BMR orchestration? Let's go. Go to our browser and search Oracle Linux. Linux download. Click Add. Go to website. Here is the Oracle Linux download link. Just ISO file. Here is ISO file. Is the latest version 9.3. Just download here. Need to some time wait because I think our file is download is done. Let's go. Just name here. Just location select here. Also we can share downloads. Next SDM user password Oracle. Next go. Just arrows CPU to GPU. Memory here is just I have not enough space, that's why I have to finish. Now we are setting network this is stopping power off. Now setting the source network is net wall storage system base. Okay, now start. Yeah, or is coming just where installation Oracle Linux 94. Just click. Now we are select like this. just like English here. Just select English and continue. Now we are just settings here. Just some tool here is selected. It's okay. Now we are selected our area. It's done. Just her password done. Let's use our password. Now you are going to our not where just here is custom. Click. Just hardware configure our network. Let's go. Here is the host name. Cal. Right. As host name change. Now configure here. Here is just we are setting automatically, but not it is best practice. We are after installation the time is again here is 6 disable, where when configuration in an installation done the time is where static IP settings. Let's go. Here is just custom. With the standard partition. Here is just first we're create for our system user, for system user, like here is 10 GB. Depend on our memory. Have enough memory, that's why just 10 GB, and swap 5 GB, and temp. Boot 10 GB, and 10 5 GB. Just it is for system. Now we are for database related file. I have not memory enough. That's why I have to little space. You can use space or a SYS or access 10 GB. Cal 5 GB. Script 5 GB. Half 10 GB. Temp 5 GB. One 5 GB. Or reserve 10 GB. Enough. You can your uh, customer demand need mount point that's we have created here, and how many space your customer that you can create here. Basically that's it's enough. You can done this acceptance. Yeah, acceptance. Now we are going to next step for begin installation. Let's go. Just a minute, we are right. Now just we are reboot our system. I think almost it's done. Yeah, our server is open. Now where our root user access or your user access. Yeah, almost is where access. Here is just C or IP address. This is our IP address. Connection. We're just manually here. You can mirror your IP here. Just a minute. Is it Just where the IP is done. Sorry. .com. Just to connect our IP. Mobile Steam, or you can your Windows default CMD. Just where your user head and root. Yeah, accept. Access denied because this user root user not permitted for access SSS. We are just access our normal user, and because it is very sensitive issues, not simply SSS SOC, right? Yes. Get OS release. This is our Oracle Linux version. Thanks for watching.